Welcome to my YouTube channel Ganji Amrenda. In this video, I am going to explain about the divisibility rules of some special numbers. What are the special numbers? 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 like this. So first of all, I am taking divisibility rule of 7. So I am taking one example. 343 is a number. Is it divisible by 7 or not? Means, how to check? Is it divisible by 7 or not? First, step 1, procedure. How to check the given number is divisible by 7 or not? The procedure, step 1 is, first, divide the given number into two parts. What is the two parts? First part is unit digit number taken as the first part. Unit digit number, what is the unit digit number is 3. This is the one part. Remaining all numbers, here two numbers, 3, 4 is the second part. Step 1 is over. Now, what is the step 2? Write the second part as it is. This is the step 2. Now, same here, unit digit number means first part number is 3. Multiply 3 by 2. Multiply 3 by 2. What is the answer? 6. This 6. Subtract from 34. 34 means second part. Now, what is the resultant value? 28. Is it 28 is divisible by 7? Yes, 28 is divisible by 7. So, the given number 343 is also divisible by 7. Now, I am taking another example. 1792. 1792. What is the procedure? First, the given number divided into two parts. First part is unit digit number taken as the one part, first part. The remaining 179 is the second part. This step 2, write the second part as it is. What is the second part? 179. And multiply the first part digit. First digit 2 only. Divisibility rule of 7. Always any number, any unit digit number, multiplying it only 2 only. Okay. Here 2. Multiplying it 2. What is the answer? 4. Now subtract this 4 from the second part. So 179. What is the resultant value? 179 minus 4 means 175. Again, do the same procedure. Now again, unit digit number taken as the first part and the remaining digits taken as the second part. Write the second part as it is. Now again unit digit number multiplying by here 2 only. Again multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. Now subtract 10 from second part. What is the resultant value? 7. This resultant value, last value is divisible by 7. So 1792 is also divisible by 7. Another example. 256088. Is it divisible by 7 or not? No. Check it. Same procedure. What is the procedure? Divide the given number into two parts. Unit digit number is one part. Remaining all digits are second part. This is the step 1. Now write the second part as it is. What is the second part containing? 25608. Now, what is the first part digit number? 8. Multiply 8 by 2. What is the answer? 8 by 2 means 16. Subtract 16 from the second part. 16. What is the resultant value? 25608 minus 16 and 592. 592. Okay. Now 2592. 25592 is it divisible by 7 or not? Again, do the same procedure. Unit digit number taken as the first part and the remaining digits taken as the second part. This is the step 1. Again, write the second part as it is 2559 minus first part, multiply the first part by 2. What is the first part containing here? 2 only. Multiply it by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. So subtract 4 from the second part. No. What is the resultant value? 2555. 2555. Now again, divide it into two parts. 5 is unit digit number is 5, one part, remaining 3 digits taken as second part. Second part 255. Now multiply the first part it by 2. 5 2s are 10. Subtract 5 2s are 10. Now subtract 10 from second part. What is the answer? 245. 245. Again taken, divide it into two parts. 5 is unit digit number is first part, remaining digits are second part. Again write the second part 24 and multiply the first part by 2. What is the answer? 10. Now subtract this 10 from the second part. So what is the resultant value? 14. The last value 14. Yes, is it divisible by 7? So the given number 256088 is divisible by 7. Now I am taking one more example. 9683. Is it divisible by 7 or not? Now what is the procedure? Now divide the given number into two parts. Unit digit number taken as the first part and remaining number taken as second part. Now step 1 is over. Now what is the step 2? Write the second part as it is 968. Now first part digit number, first part, multiply it by 2. Unit digit number is 3. Multiplying it by 2 means 3 into 2, 6. Subtract 6 from the second part. Now what is the resultant value? 962. Now again take it into, divide it into two parts. Unit digit number is 2 is first part, remaining digits are second part. So again write the second part as it is, multiply the first part by 2. What is the first part? 2 by 2, 4. Subtract 4 from second part. What is the resultant? 92. Now again this is first part, this is second part. Multiply the first part by 2. 2 into 2. What is the answer? 4. Subtract 4 from 9. 9 minus 4. What is the answer? 5. 5 is not divisible by 7. 5 is not divisible by 7. So this number is not divisible by 7. So the given number is also not divisible by 7. Now divisibility rule of 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? See here. A number is divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places is equal to 0 or multiple of 11. Means sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places, the difference is 0 is equal to 0 or multiples of 11. Multiples of 11 means 11 or 21, 22, 33 like this. Then the number is divisible by 11. One example. What is one example? I am taking 3685. One example. Here what are the odd digit places? What are the even digit places? So this is, I am taking 1 first number. This is 2. This is 3, 4. Now this is this number and this number are the odd digit places, and remaining this place 2 is 4 or even places. Now add or sum of odd digits, sum of digits at odd places, sum of digits at odd places is what? Odd places is 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, this is 11. Next, sum of the digits at even places. At even places. What are the even places? 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. What is the 8 plus 3? 11. The difference. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places. Take the difference. 11 minus 11. Sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places. Difference is equal to 0. So the given number 3685 is divisible by 11. One more example. 1085227. Check is it divisible by 11 or not. What is the rule? The rule is divisible by the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places is equal to 0 or multiple of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Now sum of the digits at odd places. 7 plus 2 plus 8. 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 means 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 9 18. This is the sum of the digits at odd places. Now I am taking sum of the digits at even places. What are the sum of the even places numbers are 2, 5, 0. Now take these numbers 2 plus 5 plus 2, 5, 0. These are the digits at even places. Their sum is 7. Now difference is equal to sum of the digits at odd places 18 minus 11 7. 18 minus 7 is 11. So 11 is a multiple of 11. 11 ones are 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. So the given number 1085227 is divisible by 11. For example, check is it 945604 is divisible by 11 or not. Now say underline the odd place digits 4. This is 6. These are the digits at odd places. Take sum of the digits at odd places. 4 plus 6 plus 4. The sum is 14. Now sum of the digits at even places. Is one of the even place digits are 0, 5, 9. Above underline 0 plus 5 plus 9. Sum is 0 plus 5 plus 9 14. The difference is I am taking difference. The sum of the digits at odd places is 14 and the sum of the digits at even places is 14. The difference is 0. 0 is divisible by 11. 0 is divisible by every number. So the number 945604 is divisible by 11. Now divisibility rule of 17. Check how to check the number is divisible by 17 or not. Means one example, I am taking one example 374. I am explaining with an example. Check whether the number 374 is divisible by 17 or not. Any number, either it is 3-digit number or 4-digit number, 5-digit number, any big number. How to check? Same procedure. In divisibility rule of 7, what we did is the same procedure we can apply here also. Any number divided into the given number is divided into two parts. Again, what is the part? Unit digit number is one part and the remaining digits are second part. Now the step 2. Step 1 is over. What is the step 2? Write the second digit. Second part. Write the second part as it is. Here 37 is the second part. Now in divisibility rule 7, first part number is multiplied by 2. Here in the divisibility rule of 17, the first digit means our first part number is multiplying by 5 here. Here 4 is multiplying by 5. Means in divisibility rule of 17, the first part number is multiplying by 5. What is the answer? 20. Now subtract this 20 from second part. What is the result value? 37 minus 20, this is 17. 17 is divisible by 17. So 374 is divisible by 17. Another example, 12767 is it divisible by 17? Check. Now same procedure. What is the step 1? Divide it into 2 parts. Unit digit number is first part. Here 7 is the first part. Remaining numbers 1276 is the second part. Step 1 is over. Now write the second part as it is. Second part I am writing as it is 1276. Now multiplying the first part number 7 by which number in divisibility rule of 17? Here multiplying the first part number by 5 only. By 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Now subtract 35 from second part. Okay. 1276. Subtract 1276. 35. Subtract 35 from 1276. What is the answer? 1241. 1241. Now again do the same procedure. Now this is the second part. This is the first part. Step 1 is over. Again. Now write the second part 124 as it is. Now the first part number multiplying by 5. What is the answer? 5. Now subtract 5 from the second part. What is the answer? 119. 119. Now again, this is first part, this is second part. 11 is the second part. I am writing as it is. 9. Multiply 9 by 5. In divisibility rule of 17, multiply the first part number by 5 only. 9 5s are 45. So subtract 11 minus 45. Subtract 45 from second part. Here what is the? Minus 34. Minus 34. 34 is divisible by 17 or not? Yes. 34 is divisible by 17. Here 12767 is also divisible by 17. Last number 34 is divisible by 17. So the given number 12767 is also divisible by 17. I'm taking one more example. 62712. Check is it divisible by 17 or not. Now divide the number into 2 parts. 6271 is one part, 2 is the second part. Here 2 is the first part and 6271 is second part. Step 1 is over. Now write the second part. What is the second part here? 6271. And multiply the first part, means unit digit number, by which number? 5. In divisibility rule of 17, unit digit number multiplying by 5. Any number. So 2 into 5 is what? 10. Now subtract 10 from 6271, means that is second part. So 10. What is the result value? 6271 minus 10 means 61. Now again divide it into 2 parts. Unit digit number 1 is one part. Remaining, this is second part. Now write the second part as it is, 626. Now multiply the first part by 5, means 5. Subtract this 5 from second part, minus 5. What is the result value? 621. Now again take this into 2 parts. One is one part, remaining is second part. Write the second part as it is, multiplying the first part by 5. 5 only. Subtract 5 from second part. 62 minus 5, 57. 57. Now take these 2 parts, 5. Now multiply the first part, 7 into 5, 35. Now subtract 35 from 5. 30. This is minus 30. 30 is not divisible by 17. 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34. So 30 is not divisible by 17. So 62712 is not divisible by 17. Next, divisibility rule of 21. So I am explaining with one example. 7, 5, 6. I am taking 7, 5, 6. Check whether it is divisible by 21. Is it divisible by 21 or not? Same procedure. What is the step 1 here? Divide it into two parts. The given number divided into two parts. One is the unit digit number taken as first part and remaining digits are second part. Now step 1 is over. Now here first digit number means first part number is multiplying by 2. In divisibility rule of 21 is also in first part number is multiplying by 2 only. In divisibility rule of 7 also the first part number is multiplying by 2 only. And result value 12. This value subtracting the second part. In that divisibility rule of 7 also subtracting this value from the second part. Here also same we can do. Here second part, right, step 2 is write the second part as it is and subtract this value minus 12. Okay, what is the value of 75 minus 12? Means 63. Now again we take it as two parts. 3 is first part, 6 is second part. Now write the second part 6 as it is. Now first part number 3 here. 3 multiplying it by 2. What is the value? 6. Now subtract this from second part. 6 minus 6. This is 0. So 0 is divisible by every number. So 756, the given number, is divisible by 21. I am taking one more example. What is the number? 77238. Check is it divisible by 21 or not. So divide the given number into two parts. Unit digit number is first part, remaining is second part. Write the second part. 7723. Now first digit means first part number multiplying by 2. Here 8 into 2, 16. Now subtract this 16 from the second part. So subtract 16. Now what is the value? 7723 minus 23 minus 16 means 7, 0, 7. Again divide it into two parts. This is unit digit number is first part and remaining is second part. Now write the second part as it is. First part number multiplying by 2. What is the resultant value? 14. Subtract this 14 from second part, minus 14. Now 770 minus 14 means 756. Okay. Now 756 only. Now again divide it into two parts. Now take the second part is 75. Multiply the first part number by 2. 6 2 is 12. So subtract 12 from 75. What is the resultant value? 63. Now again this is first part, this is second part. 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 is divisible by every number. So the given number 77238 is divisible by 21. Here one doubt will comes to everyone. Here first part digit number is multiplying with 2 in divisibility rule of 7 and 21. Multiplying with 2 and divisibility rule of 17, the first part digit number is multiplying with 5. Why we are multiplying these two these numbers only? These doubts will clarify in the last video of divisibility rules. Okay, thank you.